Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Photomath app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here, just keep going down. Then you click here on apps. You come to apps list here until you're looking for Photomath app. You just click on search. So then here add Photomath. It's going to show for you here like this. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then you come to next step here. Click on force stop. Click on OK. Then you go down. Just click on storage. Then you come to this list. Click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.